Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a small topic of chapter 1 of class 10th, that is corrosion and rancidity. What is the meaning of corrosion? Corrosion means slow eating away of metal due to moisture and air. This moisture which is present inside the atmosphere and air in which oxygen is present. So this is the slow eating away of metal in the presence of air and moisture. Actually, this corrosion is a type of oxidation. So it is an oxidation of metals. For example, rusting of iron. As we know that iron, that rust will be there on the iron due to the presence of moisture and oxygen. So what is the formula? That iron is Fe, water H2O, oxygen O2. It will form Fe2O3 dot XH2O. XH2O means this X can be 1, 2, 3, any number. So the formula is for rust and the chemical name is hydrated ferric oxide. So this formula of rust is Fe2O3.XH2O, which is also called hydrated ferric oxide. Second example is the tarnishing of silver. Tarnishing means silver becomes black in color due to the reaction with H2S gas, hydrogen sulfide gas. When silver reacts with hydrogen sulfide, it forms Ag2S. This is silver sulfide, which is black in color. So the silver will become black due to the formation of Ag2S. Third is green coating on copper. Green coating on copper means the copper vessels, they become green in color due to the formation of basic copper carbonate. This basic copper carbonate formula is CuCO3 dot CuOH twice. This is for basic, OH is for base, and this is copper carbonate. So the copper forms green coating because of the formation of basic copper carbonate. How can we prevent corrosion? Corrosion can be prevented because this corrosion takes place due to the presence of moisture and air. If we cut off the presence of the moisture and air, then the metals, they prevent from the corrosion. So how can we cut off the supply of oxygen and moisture? By oiling. When we apply oil on the metals, then there will be the supply of the oxygen and water will be cut off. Second is the greasing. By applying the grease, same method. By applying the grease, the cut off the oxygen and water presence will be cut off. Third is electroplating. This is the electroplating means the electro means electricity, plating means प्लेट चढ़ाना एक तरह से. So the metals which are highly reactive, that can be rusted easily. I am not saying the rust is only for the iron, that can be corroded easily. So when we apply a layer of less reactive metal on the highly reactive metal, then it will prevent from corrosion. So electroplating is also a method of prevention. Fourth is galvanization. Galvanization means the coating of zinc on iron. Coating of zinc. This zinc prevents the iron from corrosion, from rusting, as this zinc, when reacts with the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it forms zinc carbonate, and this zinc carbonate, ZnCO3, this zinc carbonate forms a hard layer around the metal, that is iron, and it prevents the iron from corrosion. The fifth one is the painting. When we apply paint on iron objects or any highly reactive element, then there will be the oxygen and water supply will be cut off. Now second topic is rancidity. What is rancidity? Rancidity means the oxidation of fat and oil containing food items. This rancidity, it changes the taste and color of the food. How can we prevent the food items from rancidity? First method is by freezing or by refrigeration. When we put the food items into the refrigerator, the temperature will become low, and this low temperature prevent the food items from becoming rancid. Second is the vacuum packing. Vacuum packing means there will be no air and moisture inside the packing material. So if there is no oxygen, then the oxidation will become less. Third is by putting the antioxidants, by applying the antioxidants. These antioxidants, anti means opposite, so the substances, the chemicals which prevent oxidation, they are called antioxidants. For example, BHT and BHA. BHT means butylated hydroxytoluene. Butylated hydroxytoluene. And BHA means butylated hydroxyanisole. So these are the butylated hydroxyanisole. So these are the two chemicals which are added into the food items, packaged food items, to prevent them from rancidity. Fourth is the food items which are flushed with nitrogen, because nitrogen is a less reactive element, less reactive non-metal. So the chips and the kurkure and these all materials, the packing is filled with the nitrogen, because this nitrogen will not react with the food items and they prevent from rancidity. So these are the two topics of chapter 1, which is the last topic of the chapter.